Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake in Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a loan on Capitec Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in capitecbank.co.ca and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website of Capitec Bank. Now in order to apply for a loan, select whether you want to apply a personal loan or business loan and click on it. Once you select between personal or business, you will find the credit menu at the top section. Just click on it and then click on see what you could get. You will now be taken into the credit estimate page where you will need to fill up your personal information, verify your identity, and then you will get the results. So just click on get started and select the kind of facility that you need. Enter your amount, followed by the term, followed by the length of your term. Then select whether you want it to be a permanent, a contract-based, or other kind of payment. You will then have to choose your employer type, enter your employer name, your occupation, and a few more other details. Then select how often you want to make your payments, either monthly or every second week or weekly. Finally, type in your cell phone number, your email address, followed by your SAID number. After doing all of these, you can simply verify your identity by clicking on I'm not a robot and accept the term of use by clicking on I accept. Finally, click on the next button and you will be allowed to view your estimate. From there, you can verify your loan agreement and then you will be awarded the loan. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to apply for a loan on Capitec Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.